Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Tesla cars are built step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Shaping and forming ensures the material maintains its strength while optimizing lightness.
The temperature gauges are fluctuating again.
I'm rerouting the calibration sequence now. It's stabilizing.
Excellent work. The levels are back to nominal.
Every vehicle is refined and tested for maximum safety and performance. Every car is tested thoroughly before leaving the Gigafactory.
And that's how Tesla cars are built. Say Tajimare, from start to finish.
Welcome to the future of manufacturing. With precision robotics and sustainable energy, we are building a better